what products I use for the kids. And now we're using this. It's from Genie the Bottle, Korean brand. I'm not a baby. Well, you are a baby. So I love this because it contains goat milk, and I think it's really popular right now. Even like when I look up like handmade soaps, it always has like contains goat milk. This is a shampoo and then their body wash. We actually put in the body wash right now. And so much bubbles. Smells so good. This smell is actually from Swiss, and it's allergen free, which is good because I feel like they're allergic to a couple of stuff because they'll have runny noses and itchy eyes. Sometimes I even use their shampoos, wash my hair, and it doesn't irritate my scalp at all. Their body wash is also very hydrating. Lathers up well. We put this into the tub. I like this product because it's like really hydrating and very moisturizing, and it's like pH balanced, so it doesn't like dry out their skin or their scalp. Masano, we have Natasha. I wanted to show them that. Can you bring that pen? Oh, I've been loving this. Aiden loves it too. This is Genie the Bottle. It's the all-day hydrating mask. Toner pads, but this is a mask pad. And this is nice. It hydrates, tones, repellent it. And whenever like after I come back from outside, my pores are like opened up because it's like so hot and like sweaty. So this actually helps with the pore to minimize it. And yeah, it's very hydrating. I like to put this on whenever like I'm watching like my dramas. And it's like really small circles because my face is pretty small, so like a normal size face mask, it kind of like doesn't fit my face. So I like this, and it doesn't like drip down.
장미향이야.
No, it smells so good.
You like 장미향, right?
Yeah, that's my favorite. I'm gonna get ready now because I have to film some TikToks, and then we'll dinner.